Apartment tour is finally done. As many holiday type wash ravioli. Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. Me and B are very tired. And happy vlogmas. It is officially vlogmas. I'm so excited. And Brooks, you're so sleepy today, and so am I. Today has been such a busy day. I just filmed my apartment tour. I'm so excited. The apartment is looking great. Oh, it's so nice to finally have a couch, feel like it's finished, and I love it. Also, I'm wearing this Love Shack Fancy set and my own bow that I make. I will link them down below. And we're exhausted. It's time to relax. Let's put B on his little new couch. He loves it. And I'm gonna order some just salad. I got the Yule log going. So let's order some lunch. I'm starving. He loves this couch. He's so sleepy. This blanket's from Target, by the way. You need it. Look how cute. And now I'm gonna order lunch. Like I said, I think I'm gonna get just salad because it's my favorite lunch. And we still don't have any food in the house. I have a very New Yorker fridge right now. I think I said that in my tour, but I literally have matzo ball soup from dinner last night, and I have Chinese left over. Maybe I'll eat the Chinese leftover instead for lunch. It's so cozy in here. I love it so much. I'm so grateful and thankful. Yeah. Alright, I've been working all day. Guys, look how cute these new bows are for my store. I haven't named them yet, but I wanted to get out like as many holiday type of things that I could. So this one I already have. It's the Lydia bow, and then I also made it in this pink satin, and I added roses to this one, which is my favorite thing ever. Then I had this red organza, and I made it with these red roses. They're so sweet. Oh, my lunch is done. Here we go. Here's my lunch. So we had this homemade cauliflower rosemary soup from last night and a piece of bread. I just washed the table, by the way. So I'm having that for lunch. But yeah, these are all my new bows. They'll be up on my website. I love them. Dan went to Italy today and got a little special dinner that he could make. So we have some, what kind of bread is this? It was like a semolina baguette. Semolina baguette. This is a tomato, like a bruschetta, yeah? Yeah. And then he got this butternut squash ravioli that they make fresh there, and he made like a orange, what is it, like sage orange? No orange, just sage brown butter. Sage brown butter sauce. It smells incredible. Look at this little date night he set up. So cute. I have decided to make something sweet tonight because we need a little sweet treat. And Dan actually gave me an early Christmas present. I've been obsessed with watching Claire Saffitz on YouTube. I don't know why I never heard of her or watched any of her type of videos, but I love watching people bake. I do love baking. But Dan got me this book, Dessert Person, which is her book. And so I'm starting off with one of the easiest recipes because I gotta inch my way in here. But I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. So let's bake. Let me get my mise en place, which is all my things in place. The first thing that she does is brown the butter. So I have some butter here in a small saucepan. We need 4 ounces. 2 ounces, 4 ounces. Set aside. In a small saucepan, cook the remaining 4 ounces. Wow, a lot of butter in these cookies here. Over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until the butter comes to a boil. Continue to cook, scraping the bottom and sides constantly until the butter sputters, foams, and eventually browns. Alright, so I put these two in here. Alright, so we're gonna brown the butter. Yeah, baby. I want to let them sit for a little bit to cool them down, but we just baked 2 off that the rest of them have to freeze, but we couldn't wait.